Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, I'm filming. Hey everybody, hi. You know who I am? Alright, my name is Mordecai. So anyways, I found this little tiny stapler. I think it's Mr. Grumpy's stapler. I think he was gonna give it to his dad. So, you know, I'm just gonna keep it. You know, he's been looking everywhere for this stapler, as you might notice. He's bound to give it to his dad for Father's Day. Except now he said he's gonna give it to him first. Can you please go? Alright, fine. Wait, why can't I be in it? Just go, alright? It's personal, alright? Fine then. Whatever though, I'm the boss. Please, just go! Just let you know. So, I'll just leave. Goodbye. Okay. So yeah, I found this stapler. Hopefully Mr. Grumpy won't. Hold on. Let me get this thing. Hopefully Mr. Grumpy wouldn't notice. Well, I already did. Oh, hi, Mr. Grumpy. Hey, I've been looking for that. Fine, you can have it. God. I've been looking all over for that. Mordecai, where'd you find it from? In that toy box, in that blue toy box in the other room. What? Are you kidding me? In a toy box? Okay, so I'm gonna try it. So, get out. What? You're not gonna say thank you? I said thank you. Now go. Or I don't want you to take my stuff again. That was not nice. So now you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go. Alright. You see Amanda Sunshine over there? Over there. I'm gonna tell her a bunch of horrible things that Mr. Grumpy said, even though he didn't. So let's go. Hey Amanda Sunshine, first of all, let me get you out of here. So my name is Amanda Sunshine. I wanted to talk to you for a minute. Alright, you know your arch nemesis, Mr. Grumpy? 5 minutes later. Yeah, he said all kinds of bad things about you, your sister, your brother. You know what you should do? Here, come with me. Now, before you ask why I'm filming, it's just for, well, just for documentary video. See that? He has a stapler, which he's going to give to his dad. Destroy it. Right? He's scared of you, so he can't really do nothing about it. Except maybe chase you. Just do it, right? God! Oh, come on! Seriously, do you have to film? We've got a visitor coming. A visitor. Who is this visitor? Oh, here she comes right now. Wait, she? Oh, okay. Why is Amanda Sunshine here? Don't ask. Oh. Ah. Wait, no, not the stapler, no! It took me forever to find that. Hey, wait, no, give it to me. Let me see it. Ah. Amanda Sunshine, where are you going? Why are you going in the basement? Amanda Sunshine? Hey! No, let me. Oh, yeah. Okay, that hurt. What are you doing? I was gonna give that to my dad. What do you think you're doing? No, you're not gonna destroy that. Oh, here's a hammer. Seriously? Ah! Oh, look! Don't do anything hasty. All right. Oh, okay. Look. I tried to be nice to you. Okay, you should be nice to me. I know you hate me, or for some reason I don't know why. Well, you always treat your sister like that. Tired. So come on. Oh, please. She says one more step and it's gonzo. I didn't ever start. No. Wait, can we ever understand it? I'm sorry. No. No. Stop. Wait, I was gonna get it like that. A small stapler like that. Don't. Hey, he needs a stapler. No. No. Alright. Wait, hold on a second. Wait! Where are you going? You're just gonna leave me down here with her? Come on! Help me! No! 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 What's all this ruckus going down in the basement? I know it's in the basement. What do you mean, how do I know? What's all the ruckus going on? Well, just don't come down yet, okay? It's personal business. Personal business? Yeah. Alright, I'll come down. Soon. Well, just wait for me, okay? Just call me when you guys are done doing whatever you're doing. Okay. Wait. Really? Maybe I should bring down this axe. Okay. Now what are you gonna do? Hey, I'm in the sunshine. My blur, stupid camera. Yeah, well, what's this thing on blur? Why'd you give her an axe? Well, so she can make it easier. What is that? So, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Please, don't do anything you'll regret. She's probably not gonna regret since she hates you. Why? Don't you ever... Hey, Disney, you can't... Wait. Why? Seriously? Why'd you do that? What am I gonna get from my father now? Are you crazy? What is wrong with people? Alright. Why is there a pill down here? Stupid... God! I can't believe she would do that. Oh, yeah, Scorpio, you're expecting a visitor. Seriously, a visitor? I wonder who it is. Like some other idiot. Idiot tried to lure my life. Maybe. Just come. I'll come back, okay? Yeah. Hey! What happened here? Oh, but please, it's not what it looks like, okay? It wasn't my fault. It was his fault. He told this girl, Made the Sunshine. I know who Made the Sunshine is. So Mordecai told me that you called me an idiot. What? Seriously, Mordecai, I'm gonna kill you. No, you're not. No, you're not. What is this? Look, Benson, don't make things worse, okay? That's a stapler that Made the Sunshine broke. Destroyed. Whatever you want to say it. Well, she did a great job now, did she? Look, Benson, what are you doing? Well, first I need you to get out of the way. So, what are you thinking of? No. What are you thinking of doing? Oh, we gotta hold the camera. Really? Look, what are you thinking of doing? What does it look like you're thinking of doing? Please, no. Ow. Okay, That wasn't necessary. Stupid thing! I hate you! I hate this piece of junk! Please, Benson, please! Maybe I should use the backside of it. Sure. No, no, please stop! Here, you know what? Just take it! Darn it, stupid! No, no! Oh, whoa, okay, that's going a little bit too far. Oh, okay. No, no! Somebody, help me! You know what, stupid! What are you filming for? Yeah, tell them to stop filming. Put that camera down. You know what? I'm tired of people. I'm tired of people disrespecting me. You know, us disrespecting you. Yeah. What the? Oh, please stop. Stop. Just stop. All right, just stop. All right, don't push me. All right. Don't disrespect me like that again. Do you hear me? Why are we over here? I'm tired of people disrespecting me. Why am tired of people disrespecting me? I'm tired of going through this stuff. You know what? I have had it. I've had it. I think you should calm down. Just don't let it happen again. Oh. Goodbye. Are you sleeping? No, I'm not sleeping, you idiot! I'm down here in shame! Look! They destroyed it and pasted. Lovely. Now I can't get my dad anything. He wanted a small stapler. He thinks it would be cool. Lovely. You know what? I'm out of here too. You are? Yeah, you can bring the hammer up. Oh, it was funny. It's not funny. You're always filming. You wait, man. Something bad will happen to you one day. What do you mean? Oh, you're gonna find out, man. You're gonna find out. Like now. Goodbye. Oh, I probably should bring the hammer up. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Sorry I had to come down to the basement a lot of times to do it. You know, it's just that it's easier, you know, in the basement, you know, it's just easier. Alright. So, yeah, I'm going to bring this hammer up. So, goodbye everybody. Subscribe to this channel. Oh, look, there's a piece left. Oh, jeez. Okay. I'm just supposed to... That was cool. Let's see if I can do that again. Really? There we go. There we go. Well, goodbye, people. See you later. Bye-bye. It's here somewhere. Well, bye-bye, people. Goodbye. Why did you turn it off? I don't know. I didn't feel like it. Whatever. Goodbye.